As a result of this program, I have learned many valuable tools and resources. I have explored, implemented, designed, and coached others to use a variety of tools as well. Not only am I equipped with resources, but I am aware of the 14 critical elements that are necessary to effectively incorporate technology for learning. I am knowledgeable of how to create web quests and how to design authentic lessons that incorporate higher order thinking skills, which provide my students with the opportunity to become creators, producers, and teachers. This program has also taught me the many roles of an instructional coach, including tasks such as meeting with teachers, modeling in their classrooms, observing, gathering classroom data, preparing materials, and facilitating learning teams. However, I believe an instructional coach's primary role is similar to that of a teacher to a student. Before any learning can take place, it is best to build a relationship. Having the resources and tools alone are not enough. A technology coach must be able to get stakeholders to buy into actually implementing the tools and/or strategies necessary in order to engage students in an authentic environment. Changing is difficult for humans, and a technology coach must be able to build relationships before trying to encourage them to adopt their strategies. I plan to utilize the partnership approach when coaching some of my colleagues so they feel that we are learning and improving together. As a result of instruction in this program, I am knowledgeable of ISTE's essential conditions and the elements needed to effectively integrate technology for teaching and learning. As a result of this guide and the SWOT assessment of our SIP, I am aware of our strengths and weaknesses and which direction we should take to transform the current reality of a school. This assessment taught me to utilize my skills and disaggregating data, a skill I learned in this program. Not only do I understand how to disaggregate the data, but the UDP process taught us how to plan and create goals to change the areas of weakness and celebrate the strengths. Overall, I have completed many assignments that have prepared me to be a great teacher and/or technology coach, as this cartoon that you viewed at the beginning of this video shows. This assignment have shown me that getting teachers to adopt new initiatives is not always an easy task, but to always keep a positive attitude. The various projects have taught me new skills and new ways of thinking. I am abreast on trends and issues in technology and will continue to learn, which is why I am sure that any school would be fortunate to have me as a technology coach.